Hey guys, so today we are in the gardening section and we're going to do another project and we're going to try and plant flowers and we'll show you where when we get home.
And we're going to have another project that we're doing too. So I told Carmen just throw the intro on it right now and I'll do some recording throughout too. So
Yeah.
yeah.
We
got some flowers here.
Like we saw these right here. They're like really pretty. But those are expensive.
These might be too big. What do you think? You think these are too big?
They look too big.
I think they are. This is pretty.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty to put on the porch. So we thought about something like this.
What about is this one whole thing?
It's that. So what? How many would we need?
Maybe two.
I don't want to go get a buggy. I'm gonna get a buggy.
I'll stay here.
Okay. Or do you want to go get a buggy?
I'll stay here.
Okay. All right. Let's go get a buggy. All right. Got a buggy right here. So, got a buggy, and we're going to be back there with Carmen.
Okay, so we're here at the flowers that we've chosen. We've chosen the really vibrant pink ones. I've chosen these. I don't know if they're gonna be like good or not, but I think they look pretty good to me.
All right, we all getting cotton soil into that, Carmen.
Yep.
This right here. It says this is for flowers.
Oh yeah.
Ain't 428. I think this is one. For in-ground feeds up to 3 months.
And then you probably had to replace it, right?
Eventually, yeah.
And get this?
It says it's got flowers on it, so I think we'll put it in there.
And stuff.
Yeah, you can use it for multi-purpose. We're trying to do some projects during this time.
You wanna go and get paint, maybe?
Yeah, should we get spray paint or
I wanna get paint because
you want to get like that kind of paint or spray paint
the kind that you actually paint.
with the
I wanna do
paintbrush?
like an actual project. I feel like this will be fun.
Yeah, it will be fun. Oh,
Ooh, this is pretty. We can plant two different kinds of flowers. Look at these, Dad.
oh yeah, I'm liking them better.
Look at the white ones.
Mm.
These are like wild. Can we get one of each?
Pick out the best one of them. Might be this. I don't know how far they expand.
Why don't we just put these back?
Yeah, those seem dead. Would you agree?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, and get those. Those are beautiful.
So we got some color.
Let's get some different ones too. So like,
Pick off
maybe we
this
can get
rack.
these, the purple ones. Wait, hold on, those look dead.
No, no. Do we got a white one? Oh, we got these. Come on. Dang. Stupid dummy head.
Don't break them. Dang. Those are good.
I think so.
They still need to be bloomed a little bit.
Let's go on the other
So
side
that
and
way
see.
we can work on some projects here.
Oh. I guess this probably needs a deeper root. Yeah.
Really pretty.
Let me see. I'm looking at you right here.
Come here.
They might need a deeper root system, Carmen.
I know. These are beautiful.
Yeah, those probably need a deeper root system. How about this?
I kind of got those. The pink. Wait, no, keep those. I like those.
I was trying to find something that's better.
Okay, well then put this back.
Like, those kind of look a little bit.
Dead.
I got them right here, but I can't get them off.
I'll help you. Here, just keep a watch after my phone.
Those look better.
They do? You sure? Or...
I don't know how many we need. I would think probably 4.
our potting thing isn't that big.
Yeah. It's going to be a small. And we're also going to do another project too.
For these. It looks like it's messing up.
Yeah, get them.
It's obviously going to be a little bit dirty. I think these are exotic looking.
We got some more of those. They shouldn't
put them together like that.
Is that $3.48 for them too?
$3.48 for just one.
I'm thinking just one.
Was it good?
Yeah. So we're going to take you guys along on this little project with us. All right, well, we're going to go on in and document some more in just a bit.
Get him at work.
So this is what I got. We ain't said what we're going to do with it yet. They'll find out once they come.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're going to check out and see y'all at the car. All right, I am going to go to the car now because a lot of cars around me and I don't want to hit no car. So, yeah, I'm fixing to get in the car now. And then we're going to load up. It's going to be fun putting this stuff in my little car. We'll get it done.
Okay, so guys, we're putting the stuff in the car and we're having to do that. Here he is putting the wood in the car. We're gonna be a little tight, but it's fine. So be careful, big boy.
Trying to make it work. I'm gonna see if we can get in.
I can get in. Just keep putting them down. Oh my gosh, guys, this is ridiculous. Look at this, it's like stairs. Look. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yes, we are home now, and you can see back there, we got the stuff laid out, and we are going to get the rest of the stuff out of the car. As you see, that's how we had to get the stuff in the car. All right, well, Carmen's gonna go ahead and move this stuff over so it won't be in nobody's way. All right, guys, this is one of the projects we're going to do.
This is the before.
Hold on a minute, let me back. Okay,
It
there.
has weeds and mold and everything in it.
Yeah, that's the before.
This is the before.
And we're going to paint this.
We're gonna actually keep these plants awake and not kill them.
Over there is that.
He gone.
Well, we're going to go ahead and get started a little bit on the project so that we do the rest of it tomorrow. Is that right, Connor? And this is what we're going to use to try to paint that flower vase thingy. So, and that's what we're going to work on right now. We got to clean that up on the outside. Don't wet it because it'll slow you up on painting.
Yeah.
So,
Look at. Oh wait, is that what that purple was for?
yeah. So guys, let's get on to the video real quick and enjoy this time lapse. do you think, guys? Should we get that kind of mulch?
Does it good, or do you want the small one?
Yeah, I've never been a big fan of that. Probably get either this
It's hot.
or that.
You gotta have it sitting out in the sun.
Putting her to work. Do it like this. You can do one like that. I put the other three up right like that.
What about this one?
As long as it ain't busted. I'm thinking. And then we'll put the.
Make sure this one's not busted. No.
You just lay it straight across if you want. You guys, you see back there is our little project stuff, and we are fixing to get to a time lapse of us pretty much doing it all, so that we can listen to music and work a little faster, and you guys still get to be there with it and see it all. So let's get to it, guys. All right, but anyways, guys, we are going to transform this area. As you can see in the other video, that was white, and we painted that with this. And we're going to use that to put in there, and we're going to do something with this probably tomorrow and put in her room. And the flowers, obviously, it's going to go in that. So let's go.
Warheads are so good.
Oh, is that warhead?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Guys, are y'all ready to see the reveal?
It's so cute. Okay, so guys.
Okay, all right.
You're probably wondering what this wood is for. My bed likes to cave in, so this is what it's going to be for. It's going to help it not cave in.
Yeah, we're going.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So that's going to be a project we're going to be doing.
Yep.
And
It's my baby.
we're going to do it on the next video, so that she can actually rest without falling through her bed.
Yeah.
You know, she does got a new mattress.
I have a new mattress.
It's a sleep number, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a sleep number mattress.
No, it's to sleep my butt.
It's a sleep your butt mattress.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well,
Boom.
we're going to go ahead and conclude this video. And Carmen, go ahead and do it.